In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a comprehensive report of expenses by customer, whether you prefer a summary or a detailed breakdown. This process will help you understand how much you're spending on each customer, a crucial insight for effective financial management and strategic planning. First, you'll want to start by logging into your accounting system. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Reports section. This area is typically designed to provide a variety of financial insights, so it's essential for keeping a pulse on your business's performance. Here you should see a multitude of report options, but for our purpose today, you'll focus specifically on the Expenses by Customer Summary or Detail report. Begin by clicking on that option to open up the customization fields. In the report customization page, you'll notice several fields that allow you to tailor the output to your specific needs. Now, it's important to consider what time frame you want this report to cover. If you're looking at current trends, select month to date or year to date. Alternatively, if you're examining past spending, define the exact dates in those fields. Adjusting these dates gives you a clearer picture of when the expenses occurred, which is vital for accurate analysis. Next, you'll have options to filter the types of expenses you want to include in your report. For a broad view, you might include all expense types, but if you're looking for specific insights like travel-related expenses or office supplies, you're able to select those categories directly. This customization allows for a more tailored view, enabling you to monitor specific cost centers. After setting your filters, move on to the Columns section. Depending on whether you chose a summary or detailed report will dictate how much information you want to display. In a summary report, you'll typically see customer names and total expenses. For a detailed report, additional columns such as expense description and individual amounts will appear. This level of detail is perfect for tracking precise financial activities associated with each customer. Once all your criteria have been selected and you're satisfied with the custom settings, it's time to run the report. Simply click on Run Report, and within moments, you'll have your expenses by customer laid out, either summarizing the totals or providing a detailed line-by-line breakdown. Finally, if you plan to use this report for meetings or as part of a financial analysis, go ahead and export it. You'll usually find options to download the report in various formats like PDF or Excel, making it easy to share with your team or import into other applications. Remember, generating these reports regularly can help keep your expenses in check and ensure that customer-related costs are always aligned with your business objectives. And there you have it, a straightforward process to create an expenses by customer report, giving you the insights you need to make informed financial decisions.